Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexus and Company. Today we're going to talk about one very important topic, which is land grabbing. As you all know that land grabbing refers to any activity by which someone occupies or attempts to occupy any land over which they do not have any lawful entitlement. So they forcefully take the entitlement of that particular land. They may or may not use force, threats or intimidation with a view to legally or with a view to illegally possesses the land or create illegal tenancies or sell or construct unauthorized structures thereon. This may be done by individual groups such as land mafias or companies and may be carried out by means of fake and fraudulent documentation, corruption or even muscle power. In certain cases, it is possible that someone who had entered the land with the consent of the owner, such as a tenant, may refuse to leave after the expiration of the tenancy period. For example, the tenant have signed the agreement period of 11 months. After 11 months, he is denying to vacate your house. So in that particular case, it also comes under the definition of land grabbing only, that he is doing all this with a malefied intent, that to do not evict your property and to reside in that property. So this is what land grabbing is all about. Now I would like to tell you, while there is no pan-Indian legislation that specifically targets land grabbing, the same is considered illegal and criminal under various provisions of the Indian Penal Code. While the exact applicable provisions will vary case to case. So, Section 441, criminal trespass. As we all know that when someone unlawfully enters into someone else's property, that comes under the trespass or criminal trespass. Now, trespass is a civil wrong. It comes under tort as well as criminal trespass. So this is what land grabbing is all about. Like someone unlawfully enters into your property and knowingly with the intent that he will do the unlawful act in your property. That is what land grabbing is all about. I hope you like my video. Still you have any doubts regarding land grabbing and the key ingredients of land grabbing, do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear up all your doubts in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself.